Good morning again, guys. First frost last night. Look at those fall colors. You can see the white on the roofs, the vapor on the water. For you not from ocean communities, the air cools, changes temperature a lot faster than the water. The water is warmer than what the air is at this moment. And so you have this vapor, the steam or vapor rolling off the water. As soon as the air warms to the point where it's warmer than the water, it goes away. Off to the shop to get some knife work done. Not sure I'm ready for this, guys. Oh no! Ah! Let's see if some de-icer fluid will take care of it. Oh, that is thick. She thick. As we dive into the fall here, I've still got a bunch of custom orders and some restoration projects and stuff on the go, but I have a ton, so many production run knives coming. That is my Christmas batch. Now they're already getting purchased, some of them, because I'm having people email, those who are real eager about getting Christmas presents dialed in and that kind of thing. They're emailing and making sure they're going to get the knife they want for their boys, for their husbands and stuff for Christmas. And that is a wise thing to do. But yeah, there will be stock. I've never had a batch or a run so many knives on the go at one time as I do right now. But it's exciting. A lot of fantastic options. For anyone wondering, I've got about 5 or 6, maybe 7 minutes drive from my house to the workshop, and it's what most of you would call like country road. No stop signs, no traffic lights, no traffic. Most times I will not see a person or a vehicle from my house to the shop. Just open road. Mostly road that looks like this. Half decent pavement, beautiful trees, little ponds, occasional black bear. Oh, glorious, glorious place. New windows in the garage bay. Just a handful to start. 2 beautiful chef's knives here. Alright, just look at this incredible batch of steel here, guys. Phenomenal. I've got another entire batch this big for glue up, another batch this big about to be ground, another batch for heat treat. Just a mess of knives coming. But have a look. We have some Wharncliffe EDCs here, so these will be available. Now, these are in the stage where they have no edges yet. They haven't been ground. They don't have final deburring and polishing and those things, but they're 98.5% done. 98.5% done. So handles are done, no oiling, no final finishing. A tan with a black liner there. We have a beautiful piece here. Now this one, this is what I'm telling you guys, this one was already purchased. It was designed and created to be posted on the site, but someone commented looking for the EDC Wharncliffe, and I described to them the options I had coming down the pipe for Christmas. He paid for them on the spot, so he didn't lose them. So you have that option. If there's anything here, shoot me an email. We have a bunch of beautiful saber ground bake apples in the forge finish. That aqua blue here, curly maple. Just look at the figuring. Nickel pins, beautiful there with a black liner, just subtle, but adds that, you know, bit of sharpness, bit of contrast, real nice. And then I have a bunch here in the linen micarta, which is so beautiful. I just love this material, saber ground forge finish. And that linen, all matte textured. I chose to go with a matte texture for warmth and traction. And then we're doing the same thing here with the beautiful coffee burlap. You got a navy or like a royal blue liner here. Really sharp, real nice. What a workhorse companion. Now the finest work on the table, the most intricate work here, are these hand-forged chef's knives. Little bit of an akiri style with the front bowl nose here like that, which I really like, and I find doesn't give you any less of a knife. I actually find it an improvement. Just a beautiful, a high grade satin. It's not a polish finish, not a hand finish polish finish, but it's a very high grade satin. And I chose to leave in the hand forgings here. I wanted to leave some along the spine. I had that vision in mind, and then you can still catch it right here along the rear. Again, these don't have final cleanup. They don't have final polishing. No edges or anything yet, although this one is almost sharp enough with no final edge. It's almost zero ground. So close to zero grind. And then with that green curly maple, of course, just always stunning. This one, I was building two. This one has actually already sold during the crafting. So again, that's happening. But then I have another here. Get rid of the smudging. In this dark blue. Polished copper pins and then like a brick red liner. Oh, love this color so much. Again, almost a zero grind. Just a couple passes on the stones. We'll put a micro bevel on these, and then just the kitchen performance will be beautiful. Roughly inch and a half, inch and 3/8 to inch and a half deep there. On this one, the green one was a little deeper. Probably 7 to an 8-inch blade here, but just beautiful. Tons of weight. Still lots of heft in the spine, so you do have the substantive weight to drive through some heavy stuff, but look at that. But that's it for this one, guys. Again, if you're looking for something, if you're looking to get a certain model for the Christmas run, as any of here are completed, they'll be going launched on the website, so you can go ahead and purchase those and get them shipped out. Everything will be done by December 1st for sure, to give several weeks for shipping, lots of room. But if there's something, a model of mine that you're really hoping to get your name on, you're really hoping to be under the tree for someone, shoot me an email and nail it down now so it never makes it to the site, so you can make sure you have the chance to get that specific model. Lots of stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button.
Subscribe to my channel if it's your first time here. We'll see you in the next video.